Are you fed up with running out of battery power on the go? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the BougeRV 200W solar panel kit. It's not just a solar panel, but a lifesaver for outdoor enthusiasts like you and me. Therefore, if you're tired of being stuck with dead batteries, keep watching this review to see if it's worth the hype. Let's get straight to it, shall we? For the best price, click the link in the description /N. You're probably wondering what makes this BougeRV 200W solar panel kit so special. Well, let me tell you, with its high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar cells and compact design, this baby can charge your devices up to 5 times faster than other solar panels on the market. But don't just take my word for it. The BougeRV 200W solar panel kit has received rave reviews from outdoor enthusiasts who swear by its reliability and durability. Therefore, if you're looking for a solar panel that will keep up with your active lifestyle, look no further than this baby. So what sets the BougeRV apart from other solar panels? For starters, it's designed with portability in mind. Weighing in at just 4.2 pounds, it's easy to toss into your backpack or attach to your RV, hence the name. And don't even get me started on its waterproof design. You can even use it in a rainstorm if you need to. But what really got my attention was the BougeRV's advanced technology that allows for maximum energy output. This thing is like a solar power plant in your hands, people. But I digress. Now that we've piqued your interest, I hope, let's dive deeper into the world of solar panels and see if this baby lives up to its promises. We'll explore the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of using the BougeRV 200W solar panel kit on our next adventure. But before we do that, I have a question for you. Are you tired of being stuck with dead batteries in the middle of nowhere? Do you dream of having a reliable source of power wherever you go? Therefore, if your answer is yes, and let's be real, who doesn't want to stay connected on the go? Then keep watching this review to see if the BougeRV 200W solar panel kit is worth the investment. Trust me, it's about to get real. Act 1. Problem Agitation Solution, PA/N. Let's talk about the problems you may face when trying to stay powered up on your next adventure. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or RV enthusiast, dead batteries can be a real bummer. Not only do they leave you stranded without power, but they also make it difficult to communicate with loved ones in case of an emergency. But here's the thing, you don't have to rely on the grid for your power needs. With the BougeRV 200W solar panel kit, you can harness the energy of the sun and stay powered up wherever you go. Therefore, if you're tired of being stuck without power, it's time to switch to a more sustainable solution. Here are some of the benefits of using solar panels like the BougeRV 200W. Environmentally friendly, no more relying on fossil fuels. Cost-effective, save money on batteries and charging stations. Portable, take your power source with you wherever you go. But as with any new technology, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. For example, solar panels can be affected by weather conditions like cloud cover or intense sunlight. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable source of power that won't leave you high and dry in case of an emergency, the BougeRV 200W solar panel kit is definitely worth considering. Act 2. Features, Benefits /N. Now that we've explored the potential problems and benefits of using solar panels like the BougeRV 200W, let's dive deeper into its features and benefits. Here are some of the key specs you need to know. Monocrystalline silicon solar cells for maximum efficiency. Compact design with built-in battery management system. BMS. Waterproof and dustproof design. High efficiency. Charging capabilities. But what really sets the BougeRV apart from other solar panels is its ability to charge devices up to 5 times faster than other models on the market. This means you can stay connected and powered up without having to wait hours for your devices to charge. And don't even get me started on its advanced technology that allows for maximum energy output. This thing is like a solar power plant in your hands, people. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable source of power that won't leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere, look no further than the BougeRV 200W solar panel kit. Act 3. Conclusion: call to action /N. So there you have it. The BougeRV 200W solar panel kit is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable source of power on the go. With its high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar cells and compact design, this baby can charge your devices up to 5 times faster than other solar panels on the market. But don't just take my word for it. Read the reviews from satisfied customers who swear by its reliability and durability. Therefore, if you're ready to say goodbye to dead batteries and hello to a sustainable source of power, click the link in the description to get your BougeRV 200W solar panel kit today. Joke 1. Why did the solar panel go to therapy? Because it was feeling a little drained. Joke 2. What do you call a group of cows on a solar farm? A herd of energy-efficient bovines. Joke 3. Why did the camper bring a ladder to the campsite? He wanted to take his solar panels to new heights. And finally, joke 4. What did the solar panel say to the sun? You're always shining on me.